This is one heck of a bill that they're going to leave the Trump administration, $35 billion over 9 years. Let's break this down first of all. This is expanding GLPs pretty much for everybody who wants to get their hands on them. Supply side, first of all, Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk, they are the producers of these. Have they got the capacity to meet this kind of a promise?
Yeah, so Manus, good morning to you. What we see here is not an enormous increase in the potential target market, if you think about it. 35 billion, we estimate that's about 25% of the population that could benefit from an obesity drug, so 25%. That's not an enormous lift. And remember, this 35 billion is over 9 years, so it probably means a lower amount to start off with, and therefore it ramping up. I'm pretty sure they can catch up with the manufacturing as time goes on. And also you could do the maths, man, as 35, let's say, evenly divided by 9 billion. What does that mean for the revenues of the companies, right?
Okay, so perhaps not just as gargantuan on the headline. Talk to me about, you know, it's a political issue as well as a health issue. And so the first question that you and I should talk about is the possibility of President-elect Donald Trump and his team, RFK Jr., perhaps reversing this, RFK Jr. being, of course, at the Health and Human Services, or HHS. Right.
So the reason I think this is important to bear in mind is that RFK Jr. has been very clear about his views on the healthy eating, the type of food people have access to. He's against fast food and additives, etc. But in the meantime, I think he said that people should lose weight with healthy diets. Now, there's been plenty of studies that have shown that's just not good enough. Remember that a lot of these trials where they show a benefit for weight loss for these drugs, Wegovy, Ozempic, Zepbound, is against a background where patients are on a calorie-controlled diet. So it doesn't work. Nevertheless, I think he's skeptical of these drugs, and therefore there is an interesting possibility setting up that once they're in charge, they might reverse this.